Hobby collaborated to make this herbal tea possible. Thank you, my love. Do you know you can use bay leaves for your herbal tea? Soothe stomach upset and promote healthy digestive system by reducing bloating and gas. 10 compounds with anti-inflammatory property which fight chronic inflammation that's been linked with heart diseases and certain types of cancer. It regulates blood sugar level, contributes to heart health by lowering cholesterol level. It also has antioxidant properties which contributes to fighting radicals that can lead to cellular damage and aging. Also help to relieve cough and congestion. Helps to relieve joint pain, especially in conditions like arthritis. It has antibacterial and antifungal property, improving and helps to promote overall immune system. It helps to alleviate stress and anxiety, has calming effect on the mind, and is also used to regulate menstrual cycle and reduce menstrual discomfort. Which one of these benefits shocked you? Are you aware that orange peel relieves stress and improve your mood, is rich in vitamin C, excellent source of fiber, and also help in fighting chronic diseases? Please follow page, share your comments, like so that you can see more of this content. Hey exceptional style, I hope you try this recipe.